In this video, I'll show you how to factory reset your Onn Roku TV. This can be done for multiple reasons. Maybe you're having a lot of issue with it, or maybe you just want to resell it and delete all your personal data and all the apps you have downloaded. Simply take your remote control and go on the home screen by pressing the home button here. You should get this screen, and then on the left side menu, go down until you see settings, then press OK on the remote. We need to go down in this menu all the way down where you see system. Press OK again, then go down until you see advanced system settings. Press OK, and the first option should be factory reset. So press OK. And then you need to select the lower option where it says factory reset everything. Press OK. And now it will give you a small keypad over here, and you have to enter the code that is right under it. So here we have 0601. So go ahead and type 0601. Obviously, you'll have a different code than mine. And once you're done, simply press OK and the factory reset will start. It will take a minute or two. Don't touch anything and you'll be done. So I hope this tutorial was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.